Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 23, OV 177. गुरुवाज्ञेचे उल्लंघन तेच जीवाचे अधःपतन. गुरुवाज्ञा परिपालन मुख्य धर्माचरण हे. Disobeying the order of the Guru is to cause the degradation of life. Obeying the order of the Guru is the main plank of righteousness. चित्त गुरुपदी सावधान राहोत की जावोत प्राण आम्हा गुरुचीच आज्ञा प्रमाण परिणाम निर्वाण तो जाणे. The mind should be always at the Guru's feet, whether I live or die. We obey the order of the Guru. He alone knows the consequence or the end result. आम्ही नेणो अर्थानर्थ आम्ही नेणो स्वार्थ परार्थ जाणू एक गुरु कार्यार्थ तोची परमार्थ आमुते. We do not know fame or calamity. We do not know selfishness or the welfare of others. We only know to perform the work stated by the Guru. That is the goal of our life. गुरुवचनाची यापुढे विधी निषेध व्यर्थ बापुडे लक्ष गुरु नियोग कर्तव्याकडे शिष्याचे साकडे गुरुमाथा. Compared to the Guru's command, the precepts and prohibitions are like a fool's prattling. If one's only aim and duty is to follow the Guru's command, the disciples' problems are the concern of the Guru. आम्ही आपुल्या आज्ञेचे दास योग्यायोग्य नाणो मनास वेळी वेचू जीवितास परी गुरुवचनास प्रतिपाळू. We are the slaves of your command. We do not think what is right or wrong. If need be, we would even sacrifice our life, but would obey the order of the Guru. स्वभावे जे दयाभूत तेच मन होय पाषाणवत लेच्छही न जे करू धजत ब्राह्मण सजत करावया. How can a naturally kind man become stone-hearted? What a Muslim dared not to do, a Brahmin got ready to carry out. वाटेल हे श्रोतिया अवघड परी हे सद्गुरु घरचे गारुड व्हा एकदा गुरुवचनारूढ तात्काळ गूढ उकलेल. Listeners will feel perturbed, but this is the jugglery of the Sadguru. It will be understood immediately if you too take the path of obedience to the Guru. एकदा त्यांची धरल्या कास पायी ठेविल्या पूर्ण विश्वास मग शिष्याची चिंता तयास न लगे सायास कराया. Once you surrender to him and place full faith at his feet, then he worries about the disciple and the disciple has to make no effort. सर्वथैव वाहून घ्या पायास भय नाही मग तयास केवळ तोच तयाचा आत्मविश्वास परतीरास लाववी. There is no place for fear for him once he has totally surrendered. That self-confidence alone would ferry him across life. त्रिप्रकार शिष्य असती उत्तम मध्यम अधम वृत्ती प्रकार प्रत्येकी अति संकलिती अभिव्यक्तीस आणितो. There are three kinds of disciples, the best, the middling and the base. I will briefly describe them without too many details. न सांगता अभिष्ट जाणणे जाणताच सेवा करू लागणे प्रत्यक्ष आज्ञे लागी न खोळंबणे जाणे उत्तम शिष्य तो. Know that he is the best disciple who anticipates a guru's desire and, or realizing it, begins to carry it without waiting for a specific order.